Welcome to the best pick. The best Melissa and Doug painting is probably one of the most exciting and creative toys for kids. Today, we're diving deep into this wonderful painting set, exploring its features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. We'll cover everything from the quality of the materials to the fun factor, helping you decide if this is the perfect addition to your child's playtime or a great gift idea. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Wooden Art Easel for Kids. This premium kids easel is perfect for young artists. It features a drawing board and chalkboard, allowing them to practice creating lines, shapes, and letters. The set includes a paper holder, a child-safe paper cutter, easy clip grips, and trays for organizing art supplies. It's a great way for them to keep everything organized while they create. This easel encourages open-ended, screen-free play. It helps develop fine motor control and early writing skills, building coordination and strengthening hand muscles. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This art easel is a great choice for kids. It's a fun way to celebrate milestones and encourage creativity. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has inspired kid-powered play. This easel is just one example of their learning toys, designed to spark imagination and creativity. What we like? This easel is a fantastic choice for young artists. It features a double-sided design, allowing multiple children to create at once. It also includes a paper roll and trays to keep supplies organized. If you have multiple children or want to encourage collaborative art projects, you should consider this. What people say. The easel is double-sided, which is great for multiple kids to use at once. The paper roll is easy to replace. It has a lot of storage space for art supplies. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Wooden Magnets Craft Kit. This craft kit from Melissa and Doug lets kids design their own wooden magnets. It's a fun and engaging activity for children, perfect for sparking their imaginations. The kit includes 3 different shapes: butterflies, hearts, and flowers. Each set comes with everything needed to create unique and colorful magnets. Inside, you'll find paint pots, a paintbrush, gem stickers, and glitter glue. It has everything needed to make each magnet a unique piece of art. This craft kit is ideal for party activities and take-home favors. It's also a great way to keep kids entertained on a rainy day. With this kit, kids can create their own personalized magnets. They can then display their creations on the fridge or any magnetic surface. What we like? This craft kit is perfect for creative fun. It comes with wooden magnets, paints, and everything needed to decorate them. It's a great activity for rainy days or party favors. If you are looking for a fun and easy craft project, this is the one. What people say. These are super cute and have little add-ons that come with them. The magnets are already on the back, so there is no having to glue them yourself. They come with those plastic multi-cup paints, like the kind we used to do paint by the number with. Wow, this was perfect on a cabin trip we took with our toddler. We had a lot of fun painting and decorating these. Love that they are magnets for practical use when you're done. Easy for the kids to paint, easy cleanup, a great product. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Easel Accessory Set. This art supply set is designed to complement any easel or kickstart a home art studio. It includes everything needed to get started, from paints to brushes. It's perfect for young artists. The set comes with poster paint, paint cups, brushes, a paper roll, chalk, an eraser, and a dry erase marker. It has all the essentials for drawing, painting, and creating. It's a comprehensive art kit. This accessory set is the perfect companion for Melissa and Doug easels. It enhances the art experience, providing all the necessary tools. It's a great addition to any art space. This set promotes creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. It encourages hands-on play and artistic exploration. It's a fantastic way for kids to express themselves. This set makes a great gift for kids aged 3 to 10. It provides screen-free fun and supports responsible forestry with FSC-certified materials. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like? This accessory set is the perfect addition to any art setup. It includes paint, brushes, paper, and more. It promotes creativity and fine motor skills. If you like having all the essential art supplies in one convenient package, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect for toddlers, tabletops so can be stored away, paint cups keep the mess to minimum. The paint pots are the best thing in the box. The lids snap on tight and a funnel top makes it easy to use and wipe excess paint off. The super best part is that it is hard to spill out of them. Great quality and the non-spill paint puts are perfect. Easy for use for all ages. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Wooden Vehicle Craft Kits. Introducing the Melissa and Doug Decorate Your Own Wooden Craft Kits. This set includes 3 exciting vehicle kits, a plane, a train, and a race car. It's a fantastic way to spark imagination. Each kit comes complete with everything needed to get started. You'll find paints, a brush, and stickers inside. It's all there, ready for your child to dive in and create. The kits are designed to be assembled easily. Attach the axles and wheels to make the vehicles fully functional. It's a fun project that results in a toy to play with. With 4 vibrant paint colors and a sheet of stickers, the possibilities are endless. Let your child's artistic side shine as they personalize each vehicle. They can make it their own. This set makes a wonderful gift for children aged 4 to 8. It provides hands-on, screen-free fun that encourages creativity and imaginative play. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This set offers a fun and engaging craft experience. It includes wooden vehicles that can be painted and assembled. It's a great way to encourage creativity and hands-on play. If you like building and decorating, you'll love this. What people say. The easel is double-sided, which is great for multiple kids to use at once. The paper roll is easy to replace. It has a lot of storage space for art supplies. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Paint with Water Activity Book Set. This set includes 3 painting pads, featuring animals, vehicles, and a multi-theme. It's a fantastic way to introduce art to young children. They'll love bringing these scenes to life with just a little water. Each pad has a different theme, offering a variety of fun scenes to paint. There are 24 scenes in total, providing hours of creative fun. It comes with a paintbrush, so they can start creating right away. This set is designed to be a great first art activity for kids. It's easy to use and provides a mess-free way for them to explore their creativity. It's perfect for little hands and big imaginations. This activity set is perfect for preschoolers aged 3 to 5. It encourages hands-on, screen-free play, making it a great alternative to digital entertainment. It's a wonderful gift idea. The product is made with FSC-certified materials, supporting responsible forestry. You can feel good knowing that it's made with the environment in mind. This applies to new inventory only. What we like. This set is perfect for introducing young children to painting. It includes paint with water pads that are easy to use and mess-free. It's a great first art activity for preschoolers. If you are looking for a simple and engaging art activity for your little one, you should choose this. What people say. All you need is a cup of water, brushes are included. What a great idea. The watercolors are printed onto the pictures and spread with a little water and very little effort. My 4-year-old granddaughter loves to sit and paint with me. It works amazingly well and she loves painting with just water. Just be careful because if there's a lot of water the colors will blend together. This is something we have taken with us to restaurants to keep them occupied and it works amazingly. These are incredible for kids of all ages. I have several kids, ages 2, 4, and 6. These are so easy to use, both for the kids and for parents. I love that I don't have to haul out all the paints. Simply give your kids a cup of water and you're good to go. The paint colors are vibrant, the pages dry quickly, and there's a nice picture variety. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.